Whether you're a seasoned author or just starting your writing journey, these innovative tools harness the power of artificial intelligence to help you generate ideas, overcome writer's block, and streamline your writing process. Let's explore these fantastic resources that can transform your creative workflow. Clicking the like button will really make me move on. Our first tool is ChatGPT, a versatile AI language model that can assist you in generating ideas, brainstorming plot lines, or even crafting dialogue. With its conversational capabilities, ChatGPT allows you to bounce ideas around and receive instant feedback. Next up is PseudoWrite, an AI-powered tool specifically designed for fiction writers. PseudoWrite helps you overcome writer's block by generating suggestions for character development, plot progression, and even descriptive passages. Coming in at number 3 is Jasper, an AI content creation platform that offers over 50 templates for various writing needs. Whether you need help with blog posts, social media captions, or product descriptions, Jasper has got you covered. Our fourth tool is Grammarly, an essential writing assistant that goes beyond grammar checks. With its AI-driven suggestions for clarity, tone, and style, Grammarly helps ensure your writing is polished and professional. Fifth on our list is the Hemingway Editor, a tool designed to improve the readability of your writing. By analyzing sentence structure and highlighting complex sentences or passive voice usage, Hemingway helps you write more clearly and concisely. Next up is WriteSonic, an AI writing assistant that generates high-quality content across various formats. Whether you're crafting blog posts, marketing copy, or even short stories, WriteSonic provides tailored suggestions based on your input. Seventh on our list is Copy.ai, which specializes in generating marketing copy, but can also be used creatively. With templates designed for social media posts, product descriptions, and more, Copy.ai helps writers brainstorm catchy phrases and compelling content. Eighth is Writer, an AI writing assistant that helps create content quickly while allowing you to choose from various tones and styles. With over 30 templates available, from emails to blog outlines, Writer caters to different writing needs. Ninth on our list is Authors.ai, an innovative platform designed specifically for fiction writers. This tool analyzes your manuscript using AI to provide insights into plot arcs, pacing, character development, and more. Finally, we have WriteSonic's Story Generator, which uses AI to help authors craft compelling narratives. By inputting key elements like genre and character traits, this tool generates story ideas and outlines tailored to your specifications. Which tools are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below